A lot of the times people don't actually believe that I have an online business, and I can show you like my other YouTube channel, I can show you my websites, I can show you the books that I've written, the courses that I have, etc. But I think that really just showing you under the hood is one of the easiest ways, and kind of what I want to give you today is basically one of the income streams, a completely passive income stream that I have, and just to maybe have you start thinking about if you were to want to create something like this for your own life, like what would it be like to have $1,000 at the end of your year, an extra $1,000 you can put in your pocket and earn that passively through blogging. I want to show you how to do that tangibly and also some of the specs there when it comes to my own income. So what I have right here up here is the Amazon Associates dashboard. Now, this dashboard will show you from January 1, 2018 December 31st, 2018. This is for the entire year. I earned a little bit over $1,000 in passive income from affiliate marketing on Amazon. Now, affiliate marketing on Amazon is very simple. It's sort of broken down into two different ways. Number one are fees. So referral fees are every time you recommend a product on Amazon, you will get a percentage commission when the product is shipped. So I'll show you an example of that in just a second. Another thing that I earn are bounties, and these are fixed earnings when, like for example, someone signs up for a Kindle Unlimited trial, or they have some kind of membership program that they sign up on Amazon, I will get a small commission, a fixed rate for that. So you can see some of my earnings here. This is throughout my entire year of 2018, a little bit over $1,000 in passive income. And as some further proof, you can see here in 2018, some of the direct deposits that I had from this account, $100 here, $50 there, $60 there. I know it's not necessarily a lot of money, but it's passive income 100%. And you could be earning the same thing. And I want to show you how to do that. So where exactly are these commissions coming from? Well, first of all, I have a book here. Let's go here to one of my articles here. I wrote an article on my personal blog. When I read this book, trust me, I'm lying. Now, whenever I write an article and I'm kind of like recommending a book or I'm recommending anything else that I can find on Amazon, I will always link to that with an affiliate link. So that way, if someone clicks through here and they go and check out Trust Me, I'm Lying, which is an incredible book about PR and public relations, it's really interesting. This book, someone goes, they check it out, they actually end up buying it. I would then get a small commission off of that sale, but it doesn't stop there. If they also decide to buy any other books or they decide to buy anything else on Amazon during that session, I would also get a fee. So a small affiliate commission fee where not just for this book, but for anything that they purchase on Amazon, I would get basically a commission from that sale. So the more traffic that I'm sending to Amazon, even just doing something like a simple book review here and sharing some of my thoughts on this, I will start to get basically more people on Amazon and as a result, starting making more affiliate commission. Another example is I have another website where it's called Podcasting Hacks. I'm also releasing a course on podcasting, and this kind of goes through step-by-step how to start a podcast. But one of the things that I wrote here was a equipment package for anyone out there to get started podcasting if they are on a budget. And in this equipment package, I will recommend certain microphones and such. So if I was to click through here and open this up, just go through here like some of the microphones, some of the stuff you might need, some of the benefits of these different things. If they went and they purchased this microphone on Amazon, I would then get a small affiliate commission from that. Now, keep in mind, this isn't like hundreds and hundreds of dollars from a single sale, but little by little over time, the more you keep linking to Amazon, the more traffic you get them, the more buyers, more people that start, upgrading their carts and start getting more and more products in there, the more money you're going to make over time. And it kind of sums up to be a nice little passive income stream that at the end of the year, you can have an extra $1,000. If I was to focus on this more, I could have an extra $5,000 or more. It's just one of the income streams that I have. To give you like another quick example here, another blog post that I wrote on my personal blog, The Way of the Wolf. This is a great book on sales and persuasion. Basically, how do you sell products? How do you get people warmed up and interested in what it is you're doing? And sales is a very important part of life. If you click here and you went over to Amazon and you purchased this book, I would also get a small affiliate commission from that. So I kind of wanted to just like open your eyes to the fact that number one, you can actually earn real money, real passive income from sources like Amazon months affiliate program. And you can do that by starting a blog, by writing articles, and every once in a while linking to products that you might recommend on Amazon. That could be one way. In addition, there are other types of affiliate marketing that you can do. So like on my other blog, crouchcox.com, I have a few different blogs here. I will also link to different websites and stuff that I recommend for my readers. One of them, if you come here to Morpho Manufacturing, if they sign up here, I would get a small affiliate commission should they decide to do that. And these guys, I've had them on my show a few different times. I trust them. I've looked into their service, so I do recommend them genuinely. But at the same time, it's kind of like with traditional business. If you're going to give someone business, someone who's in your industry, they should cut you a small check for that, or they should just give you a little bit of a referral fee. And that's kind of how it works here. It's not necessarily, like I said, thousands of dollars, but over time, all these things add up to a passive income stream so that no matter where you are, you can be earning money in your sleep. It sounds really scammy to say that, but like it's true. You can earn money in your sleep. You can wake up, you can have money deposited into your bank account. And it's because of the hard work though that you put in beforehand of writing articles, of taking time to do that. And I share way more about this in this course that I have. So I have a course out there where basically I share with you a special extra module called the Passive Income System. And with this, I share things like my income report, and you can actually see the sources where I'm earning money, how much money I'm earning on a yearly basis, and also like the different revenue streams there. So it's not just one passive income source. This is one of many passive income sources that I have. And a good place to get started, I don't want you to have to go out there and just like purchase a course like right off the bat. This is a really good free intro course to get started if you are looking to start a blog. So if you want to start a blog, you want to sort of live the laptop lifestyle, as you would say. You want to be able to work from home. You don't want to have your own boss. You want to be able to set your time and have flexibility, earn good income, do something that you're passionate about, have a base of readers. This is what blogging can unlock, and it's done that for me. I'm trying to show you different ways that has sort of enabled this lifestyle that I now have, and as well the tangible ways that it actually will bring money into the door, that it will allow you to pay your bills, that it will allow you to get these things done. So if you're interested, this is a great 7-day email course that I put together for you, showing you step-by-step, very easy to follow instructions, how to write blog posts, how to actually start this thing, how to come up with a good blogging idea, all that kind of stuff. People have said very good things about it. All you got to do is enter your name and email, and you can get started with this, and I'll start sending you emails. And I will include the link to this course in the description below this YouTube video. If you have not yet, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you do, make sure you turn on notifications. So to turn on notifications, you just click this little bell here and make sure that you will be notified whenever I come out with a new video. This will be a great way, it's a number one, you can stay up to date with the stuff that I'm putting out. I'm always putting out new content. I try to like every single week if possible. One of the interesting videos I put out recently was my first apartment in New York City, where I shared my whole story of coming to New York City with no money, starting a blog out of thin air, and then eventually that becoming my full-time job. If you're interested in sort of staying up to date with my life, but also getting actionable tips, I'm going to be putting out a lot of great stuff in the future. Go and subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on notifications. But I hope you found this video to be helpful. I'd love any questions that you have down below when it comes to blogging, when it comes to earning passive income online, and sort of the tangible and the real ways to do that. I want you to believe that this is achievable for you, and I want to demonstrate step by step, repeatedly, how you can employ this for your life. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Sal, and I will see you next time.